wondered how far military technologies have come in recent years? Stick around as we delve into some mind-blowing advancements that were once mere science fiction. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting content. Number 1. Skynex Air Defense System. As the battlefield continues to shift and evolve, the threat posed by aerial adversaries looms larger than ever before. Amidst this dynamic landscape, the Skynex Air Defense System emerges as a formidable safeguard against airborne dangers, conceived and crafted by the engineering prowess of Germany. With cutting-edge features including stabilization and self-guidance capabilities, Skynex stands at the forefront of defense innovation, offering unparalleled precision in targeting both cruise missiles and unmanned aerial vehicles. Delving deeper into its operational prowess, Skynex operates seamlessly within ultra-short ranges, boasting the ability to neutralize threats within a 2.5-mile radius. Its arsenal, brimming with firepower, ensures swift and decisive action against potential aggressors. Number 2. Doggo Killer Robot. The battlefield has long been fraught with peril for soldiers tasked with disarming dangerous situations. Yet, with the introduction of Doggo, a compact killer robot armed with a Glock pistol, the dynamics have shifted dramatically. Weighing in at a mere 22 pounds, this silent assassin belies its small stature with a formidable arsenal and lethal precision, capable of striking targets up to 18 feet away. Through a closer examination of its design and functionality, we uncover the profound impact this cutting-edge technology has on enhancing soldier safety and effectiveness on the battlefield. Number 3. Baobab K Mine Laying System. In the face of encroaching enemy tanks, the Baobab K Mine Laying System from Poland emerges as a beacon of defense, poised to thwart their advance with unmatched efficiency. This automated marvel stands ready to swiftly create minefields of any size and density, serving as an impenetrable barrier against hostile incursions. Join us as we unravel the intricate workings of the Baobab K, witnessing firsthand how it establishes defensive perimeters in record time, offering crucial protection to Allied forces on the ground. Number 4. Rosi Smoke Defense System. In the tumultuous midst of battle, maintaining visibility can often be the determining factor between life and death. Enter Rheinmetall's ROSI Smoke Defense System, a revolutionary solution tailored for light vehicles traversing hostile terrains. Crafted with precision, this innovative system integrates multiple 40mm cannons, unleashing dense clouds of smoke that serve as a shield against enemy visual detection. But ROSI doesn't stop there. Its advanced technology also neutralizes infrared radiation, rendering homing missiles ineffective against its protected vehicles. Number 5. Vapor's Electric Helicopter. In the ever-evolving realm of aerial warfare, drones have undeniably reigned supreme in recent years. However, Vapor's Electric Helicopter emerges as a compelling alternative, poised to reshape military reconnaissance and transport missions. Boasting extended flight durations and advanced payload capabilities, this compact yet powerful helicopter extends the operational reach of ground forces, offering unmatched versatility in a compact package. Number 6. Malloy Aeronautics T-400 Drone. In the crucible of conflict, where every second is precious and lives hang in the balance, Malloy Aeronautics T-400 Drone emerges as a beacon of hope. This revolutionary aircraft redefines aerial evacuation with its remarkable payload capacity and unmatched maneuverability. Through a closer examination of its capabilities and operational prowess, we'll uncover how the T-400 stands poised to make a profound impact on the modern battlefield, ushering in a new era of aerial rescue and humanitarian assistance. Number 7. Teledyne FLIR's Thermosight His HD. In the high-stakes world of frontline sniping, precision reigns supreme. Teledyne FLIR's Thermosight His HD stands as a beacon of excellence, offering unparalleled clarity and range that elevates sniper capabilities to unprecedented heights. The groundbreaking technology behind this advanced scope, granting snipers the ability to track targets with unmatched accuracy. With the remarkable capability to detect bullets up to 2,200 meters away, we'll uncover how this innovative scope revolutionizes long-range engagements on the battlefield, reshaping the landscape of modern warfare and ensuring snipers maintain a decisive edge in the fight for victory. Number 8. Elbit's Enhanced Temporary Bridges. Water obstacles present formidable barriers for advancing military forces, often altering the trajectory of critical operations. However, Elbit's enhanced temporary bridges stand as invaluable assets, serving as lifelines for troops navigating treacherous waters. These meticulously engineered structures provide swift and reliable passage across otherwise impassable barriers, ensuring uninterrupted momentum on the battlefield. These bridges facilitate seamless mobility for troops, enabling them to overcome natural obstacles and achieve mission objectives with precision and agility. Number 9. M1150ABE Mine Clearing Tank. Breaking through enemy lines demands both courage and strategic prowess. Yet with the M1150ABE Mine Clearing Tank at the forefront, obstacles are swiftly overcome. This formidable tank, armed with a mine plow and line charges, possesses the capability to neutralize hidden mines and pave the way for advancing infantry. It ensures safe passage for troops and vehicles, even in the most hostile environments. Through an exploration of its cutting-edge features and operational effectiveness, we'll witness firsthand how the M1150ABE Mine Clearing Tank stands as a stalwart guardian, clearing the path to victory amidst the chaos of battle. Number 10. Patria 6x6 APC and NEMO motor system. Fusing formidable firepower with robust protection, the Patria 6x6 Armored Personnel Carrier, APC, and NEMO motor system emerge as icons of innovation on the modern battlefield. From navigating amphibious operations to fortifying coastal defenses, the Patria duo stands ready to tackle diverse challenges with precision and resilience. Through an in-depth examination of their advanced features and strategic applications, we'll uncover how these vehicles redefine the standards of mobility and firepower, ensuring superiority on the battlefield and safeguarding mission success for Allied forces. Number 11. Quantum Stealth Camouflage. Imagine soldiers and vehicles disappearing from sight, rendering enemy attacks futile. With quantum stealth camouflage, this seemingly futuristic concept becomes a reality. This groundbreaking technology conceals personnel and equipment from both visual and sensor detection, revolutionizing the art of camouflage on the battlefield. From covert operations to strategic maneuvers, quantum stealth reshapes the rules of engagement, ensuring tactical superiority for those who wield it. The future of warfare. From defending the skies to clearing enemy minefields, the realm of military technology has reached unprecedented heights. These advancements not only enhance the capabilities of our armed forces, but also redefine the nature of modern warfare. As we continue to push the boundaries of innovation, one thing remains clear: the future of warfare is here, and it's more awe-inspiring than ever before. Join us on our journey of exploration and discovery as we uncover the next generation of military technologies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your friends. See you next time for more thrilling revelations from the world of military innovation.